And now we can learn 30 new words together. Event. The event was spectacular. Final, the finals. Making it to the finals was their goal. Upstairs. He went upstairs to check on the noise. Probably. She'll probably arrive late, as usual. Seat. Please save me a seat at the table. Unusual. It was an unusual situation. Climb. The climb up the mountains was challenging. Appetite. She ruined my appetite. Break, broke, broken. She broke her leg. Daughter. His daughter is incredibly talented in music. Steam, steamboat. They traveled by a steamboat down the river. Meal. Enjoy your meal. Solve. It took her a while to solve the puzzle. They said they'd come, but I'm not sure. Want to. I don't want to talk about it. Window, shop window. Have you seen that shop window? Summer. I can't wait for the summer vacation. Medium. She ordered a medium-sized coffee. Doubt. There's no doubt about that. Join. Will you join us for the meeting? Sweet. The dessert was too sweet for me. Already. I've already finished reading the book. Care. I care for you a lot. Divorce. Get divorced. Their decision to divorce was a difficult one. Item. Each item on the list was carefully chosen. Lady. The lady at the store was helpful. Begin, began, begun. Beginner. She's a beginner in learning French. Council. The council discussed the new proposal. Constant. Constantly. He constantly checks his phone for updates. Then. Back then, things were quite different. And that's it. Thank you. Bye-bye.